Come on back up, hun. There you go, buddy. Thank you for letting me have my cup of coffee first, Mom. Not feeling very good. There you go. Mom loves you. And I wouldn't leave you hanging. Stripe's out here somewhere, and Marty's in the house. Marty's being Marty this morning. Fussy with wanting everybody's food but the one in front of him. Well, it really is a glorious day. Any way you look at it, I think it's supposed to be 71. You know, I'm hoping I can rebound a little bit today. I don't see me doing a whole lot though, but I'm going to get out to the park and go around the track. I swear I am. And get some sunshine and some fresh air. Sitting in the house all day is... I at least need to go to the track and sit at a bench. At least need to do that. So, short walk. Sitting is not good. Not too good. I'm not running a fever, but right now I'm feeling really hot. So I assume my body's trying to cool me down versus, you know, crank up the heat. I don't know. Neither one of us feels even close to 100%, but yeah, I wanted to get some sunshine and fresh air, and I just don't think sitting around is good. I mean, resting is good, but it's 70 degrees out. Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful day. How many days this nice are we going to get this winter? And I'm almost hot, and the sun hit my head. I'm wishing I had a hat. He didn't wear a hat because he wants more sunshine. More skin with sunshine. It's an ornament of some kind. Anyway, we're here. Do we get a check mark for attendance? I don't know. I'm not trying to overdo it. I just... And if you're curious, I can taste and I can smell, although it is a little subdued. But I do have taste. Like we had, probably shouldn't have had the daggone cheesecake with the sugar in it and lower my immune system, but I did have the piece of cheesecake, and I could taste it. It was good. Well, we sat down over here on the bench. I don't know that we've ever sat on this bench before.
Yeah, it's not a very comfortable bench, to be truthful.
Well, that would be true. I figured you got to be out in the sun for a little bit for it to be effective. It's not like you come out in it for 5 minutes and poof, you're fixed. So, we're here actually baking. If you want to know the truth, it's very, very hot.
In the sun.
In the sun.
Strong, don't kid you.
Well, it's almost time to say goodbye to Santa mode, but you know, I'm not one for getting rid of Christmas until after New Year's. Besides, I'm too sick to get rid of Christmas anyway. But Dawn and I had done photo booth the other night. We had taken a picture, and I look horrible in this thing, but we've been put Optimus in here somewhere. Well, not on top of me. Well, there you could. I'll hide Donnie since I don't like how I look, and we'll snap a picture of you and Optimus. That's great. That's great. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And I guess you can. I'm sorry. I guess you can.
Colorize it.
You can do other stuff to it too. You can put emojis in there. Whole bunches of stuff.
You got no hat?
I'm looking for the hat like Adam had. I'm hunting it. Bear with me. I'm not, working at top speed here.
Give me a first big medal.
You want a medal? Number one husband. Okay. Surely there we go. Tesla. I like this for you. There you go.
Yeah, we can't make it bigger.
I don't know.
Well, you're my multimedia person.
Well, it's the first time I've been in here and I don't feel good. Why won't it? There. Thank you for fixing it. That's great. And so when you save it, when you go into the Tesla app in the house, I didn't realize there was a new photo booth tab, but there's a new photo booth tab, so that's where you can download your photos. So, pretty cool.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, here. Oh, let's see.
Oh, 3, 2.
Oh, that's kind of cute, though. It's kind of cute. Yeah. Here, I'll save that one too. Okay, so I felt bad that we got the holiday update and just didn't really didn't explore this a little bit more. Right. We played with it that night and took some pictures, and then
that's it.
That was it. Didn't understand. Okay, how do I get out of?
I don't know.
Yeah, there's our gallery of our ugly pictures the first night. Like, please don't make me look that bad. It had to do a little bit with yeah. Well, seriously now, it's going to say, how do I get out of it? Okay, and then the other thing is, this is Adam's fault. Blame Adam. So, I'm kidding. But, I guess you can pick different wraps to put on your car. Mm-hmm. Avocado, that's funny.
Where's the donut?
Dirt wrap? For dirty Tesla. If this were my car, I like the Asian themed cherry flowers. That's pretty cool. There's Annie if you really like Annie. I like the Galaxy one too, but since it's Christmas still, we'll pick this. So I think now if we turn off Santa mode, because right now with Santa mode on,
there it goes.
Now you can see your car wrapped up. Pretty cool.
Those are Christmas lights?
Yeah. Like those vinyl.
Oh, it has a Christmas wreath on the hood.
And a Christmas wreath on the hood. Come back in here and customize license plate. So, license plate number. Enter number. Okay, well, I'm
sorry. More power. Exclamation mark.
I'm looking for it. All right. And the background is, you're supposed to be able to do your state.
Well, click on the California one, and maybe it'll go to others. Nope.
Okay, well, since it's still technically Christmas, we'll go with that.
Yeah, maybe white.
Well, it says you can do your own, create your own. You got to bring it in from a USB drive or something. Well, I don't know. I guess there would be a lot if they did all the states and they did all the special plates for the states. And then you can see it. So I guess if you really want it to be your state. But anyway, you're pretty cool now because you got, the wrap and you've got your special more power license plate.
Well,
yeah.
Thank you for that.
So we get around to doing the light show one of these days, but right now we were up to sitting for a few more extra minutes in the car to check this coolness out.
Yeah.
I'm going to do bag 23. We'll see if I get to 24. I probably have enough time. The question is, do I feel up to it? I'm reheating stuff for dinner while I'm out here working, and Don and I have been on the couch resting for hours now, and I wish I could tell you it was making a big difference, but both of us kind of felt a little better this morning, then felt a little worse this afternoon, then I don't know. But it's calling. I want to work on it. Here I go. Bag 23. Well, it's finished. It's massive. It's what I thought it would be. I have to say that I'm happy to be done with putting on green leaves, branches, fronds, whatever you want to call them. The little cat head was fun. It was actually a little fickle. It was a little hard to do, but it's on there. He's put together. That one piece in the front being the eyepiece being a special piece that you're not going to get outside of this kit, or maybe they'll put it on the Pick-a-Brick online. But anyway, pretty cool. Pretty cool.